How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we are going to be putting back together the 370Z headlamps. They're back from paint and they look amazing. We are one step closer to finishing up the headlamps. I'm really liking how they're coming out. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Alright guys, so my next step here is to remove the projector lens because I have a surprise for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and be swapping out my projector lens from the 370Z headlamps. I bought a brand new set of projector lenses from the retrofit source. They came edged and I can't wait for you guys to see it. So I am carefully, oops, what? Oh man, I made a mess. Alright, so I got this lens out safely. Let's put it aside. And here are the brand new projector lenses that I received from the retrofit source. I really like the look on this. They're simple, but really well made. Look at this. I am really impressed with this. So we're gonna go ahead and be putting this on the lights. Carefully reattach the bracket that holds the lens into the light. What I did here so that I could hold the lens in place is I cut a small piece of wire and I put it on the very top of the lens, between the lens and the bracket, so that the lens wouldn't move. I did this off camera, but this is important because these lenses are not originally from this vehicle, so they're not the exact same size as the original lenses on this light. So it's important to do this step. Look at that. So I'm carefully putting the lens back on the headlamp, and what we're gonna do next is put the headlamp inside the oven, which has been preheating at 250 degrees, so that we can go ahead and reseal the light. So make sure that everything lines up, because once this goes into the oven and comes out, you're just gonna press it back together with the same factory seal. There we go, snap together. Let's carefully put the light back into the oven. Make sure nothing is touching the walls. Basically the same procedure that we did to remove the lens, but backwards.
A few moments later.
One down. We're gonna set this light here, and while we bake the second one, we're gonna go ahead and put all the screws back on this one. Forward a little bit. Right there. There's this as a barrier here. $9.43. So at $9.53 we gotta take those out. Alright guys, so that's all for today. The headlamps are back together. I think they look amazing, even though they're hazy. The next step is going to be to clear coat the lenses. so that we can just go ahead and put the lights back on the car. Don't miss the next video. I'm gonna go step by step on how to sand the lights and how to get them ready to shoot some clear coat on them so that they look great again. See you in the next video.